Welcome back, everybody. It's your girl Risha. I'm back with another video. Alright, today I just want to go ahead and paint my inner tire liner because it looked pretty dull. I'm just playing around with it because I don't want it to be looking like that when I put it back under. Okay, I'm going to be using some Duplicolor plastic adhesion promoter. And I used the last bit of Rust-Oleum trim and bumper paint. So first we're gonna lay light coats, about 2-3 light coats of this. Let it dry in between like for about 3 minutes, and then after the last coat I have 10 minutes, within 10 minutes to paint. There we go. Alright, that's one coat. You might want to use a face mask because you don't want all the fumes from the adhesion promoter or the paint to get all in your nose and stuff like that. So I almost didn't record this video because I'm so used to just go ahead and doing it, and I just don't be having time to set up the whole camera and all that stuff, but made time today. Alright, that's first coat. And by the way, you all, I did wipe, I washed this inner liner. I washed it with soap and water, and then I used I wiped it down with the degreaser. Okay, here's second coat. Just go back and forth in sweeping motions. Second coat. And one more coat. This is the first one I'm going to do. I'm going to take off. I want to see how this comes out. And then if it comes out to my liking, then I'll go ahead and do the other 3. Y'all, we almost there with the knocks. Almost there. So I'm doing this. I'm going to do the grill next to. I'm going to spray paint that black as well. But I don't think I have enough paint to do it for this video. I have to touch up the bumper because when I took the fender off. Okay, y'all, we supposed to be putting the fender on the vehicle. The fender was ready for pickup Friday, but I didn't make it in time to the place. They were actually supposed to call me, but they didn't. But it was in. So now I have to wait until Monday to go pick it up. So I'll be uploading a video putting the fender back on Monday. Okay, here's on the last coat. You can go a little heavy if you want to, or you can still do light coat. Yeah, that's the AC unit. Alright, that was the last coat. So 10 minutes, we're gonna start painting with the I'm sorry, y'all. I said paint after 10 minutes. No, we paint within 10 minutes. First coat. Light coat. Coat number 1. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes. God. I look a whole lot better. Just wanted to darken it up and have it not looking so dull. So I'll let that dry, and I may do one more coat, or I may not, because I don't have that much left. So we'll see. Yeah, this right here, I like this. This is really good. It did excellent on the, my front and rear bumper. I think I'm gonna use it on the door handles as well. What else? I'm pretty much gonna use it on all the black trim that's on the vehicle. I mean, I did the side panels, like the side rocker panels already, when I did the bumpers. The only thing I think I'm gonna pull out that the little plastic that sits right below the windshield wiper. That whole little plastic trim, I'm gonna take that off. I think I'm gonna repaint that as well, black, because like I said, the vehicle's been sitting for 5+ years, so majority of the black parts on the vehicle were faded. So you guys, I'm so excited. We're almost done. Almost done with the Equinox. Yep. My very last thing I'm gonna do for us video wise is no, I think I'm gonna go ahead and record make a video putting everything on, like the headlights, the tail lights, the new wiper blades. Probably I maybe even be able to do a little video of us putting the tires on the vehicle, because we won't do it ourselves. We'll probably have the tires put on at the shop. So, but we have a few more videos left. Yeah, we have quite a few left. You know, we still have to do the wheels too. I'm gonna redo the wheels. I have to detail the inside. Yes, my specialty. Oh, I have to do a video on painting the trim for the inside, the door trims. And the dash, I still have to take the dash out. Not like the dash, the radio dash, that cover. I still haven't sanded that down. I need to take that out, because once I do the trim for the doors, I'll do the trim for the, I'll paint that as well, the dash. And the dash is not, it's not out, it's not ready yet. So I think I may do that today. Well, I mean, I like how it looks. I mean, what do y'all think? You can see it. I mean, it look way better than it is. Cause look, that's how it looks. And now look how it looks. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna do this part right here. Go over there one more time, and then that's it. So that's the part that's gonna really show. Yep, that's it. Alright, just me painting the inside of the inner tire liner for the Knox. This was a little video to put together so you guys can see what I'm doing. See? Yeah, I think I might go ahead and do the other three as well. That was so childish, but hey, they do things like that in Texas. All right, y'all, it's been fun. Like I said, like the video. I mean, if you found it helpful, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Yeah, this Chick Details. It's your girl Risha. And I'm out. Until next video.